Hello guys. So recently I ran into a little problem with running the small Honda generator inverters on propane. Especially the EU2000 is actually more sensitive than the EU2200, but problem is with the regulator here. Unless you're going to purchase a kit that is ready to run the Honda EU2000 or EU2200, then you're going to have a problem to do it yourself, probably, most likely, because these Garretson regulators, they will come adjusted to the bigger machines. Okay, they are not exactly made for these small generators, or adjusted. They are made for them, but they are not adjusted to these small generators. So let me show you. I just ran into this one recently. So let me show you how that behaves. Okay, especially on the eco mode, you will see the problem. This is running in a full speed, and when I switch it to the eco mode, that's going to be a problem. And even though you have this screw adjusted properly, that is feeding the amount of the gas into the generator, it's still not going to run correctly on the eco mode, and that's because it takes very little, it sucks very little gas or air along with the gas, and these need to be adjusted to that little machine. Okay, like I said, they're adjusted to the bigger machines. So what you need to do, number one, get a beer and drink some beer. And get a good beer, okay? Number two, get your flathead screwdriver, bigger one is better, and unlock this adjusting screw here, which is just pretty much this is just the lock. The adjusting screw is underneath. And I heard that some of them will come with like a thread lock, or pretty much super glued, so you cannot move them. But I have about 5 of these, and I never run into one that would be locked with a thread lock or with super glue or something like that. So anyway, they will come roughly about I would say about a ½ inch deep, maybe sometimes 3/4 inch deep originally, this screw here. And let me explain to you a little bit how this Garretson regulator works. When you unscrew this screw now, it will require less amount of suction to get the gas through the Garretson regulator. When you tighten the screw, it will require more amount or more power to get the gas through the regulator. Okay, and since this is a small machine, it actually produces very small suction, so you're gonna have to loosen up this screw a little bit. And you can do that when the machine is running. Actually, that's the best way to do that, when the machine is running, and I'll show you how. And you just listen the engine, and then just pretty much stop wherever it feels like it's running the smoothest or the best. Okay, now you have to be careful when you get almost all the way to the end. That gas will start coming constantly through, so you don't want to be all the way flat with the screw. But you will hear it. Okay, you will hear that thing. So let's try this again. Oh, wait a minute. It would help if I turn on the gas, right? Do so loosen the screw, loosen the generator. Now it's good. Okay, if you go more, it will start choking. Right here would be the sweet spot. Okay? Now you got it right. Just lock it. Right on the edge, so maybe I'm gonna loosen up a little bit more. Okay. And this is actually one of the worst, I just choose this one because this is one of the worst regulators that I have. And that's the P&G Technologies, okay, probably made in China. What you might have is either the Century Garretson regulator, which is this one, okay, most likely, or you might have the original Garretson regulator, which is probably the best one. I don't have that one, so I cannot really compare that one, but the Century is much better for the Honda generators. It's much more sensitive. This one, the P&G, is definitely for bigger engines. But I just choose this one because I want to show you the adjustment. Okay. So that's it. Just be careful because when you unscrew this too much, the gas will just start coming through always, pretty much always. Okay. So if you're gonna get it set, then unplug the hose. This one is kind of deep. Okay. All you gotta do, just smell for the gas. If you don't smell anything, you're in a good shape. But anyway, if you're gonna run into the P&G, those are the worst regulators to adjust for these small engines. I would not recommend the P&G for P&G Technologies. Okay, don't buy that one for the small engines. Either buy the original Garretson or the Century. Cheers. Fairly simple job.